say, we always talk about at Samaritan's Purse the widow's mite, and we don't take government grants to do this work here in the U.S. This is built off people making small donations monthly. Mm-hmm. It's from groups like yourself, like Rohrman, that they see a need and a heart for the ministry, and they see what we're doing and want to partner and get excited about it. And so we have people from all different types. It is amazing donors that the Lord brings, and I think it revolves around the mission. That's the two things that we're committed to doing. We want to do that with excellence, and it takes donations to run an operations to do it with excellence.
I mean, I think it just so happened, I told you this earlier, how cool it is to be able to do this in person, and I'm looking forward. We're going to go see the site in just a little bit and just kind of see what you guys are doing.
Yeah.
It's special, more so than just sending a check, and we got to see it, and we can share this video with our staff.
Yeah, absolutely. Glad to show it to you. Also, it's going to be fun just to meet some volunteers. Yeah. You'll get to see kind of where they're from and their heart behind doing this, and then there'll be a family that we're helping out as well. And so
we have just shy of 1,600 employees that work for us, and so October, everyone knew what we were trying to do. So
awesome.
We're going to use a lot of this to kind of show them, like, hey, all the hard work that we put into to raise this money.
That's great.
Awesome. This is where it's going.
Well, it's going to the gospel, and so that's the key piece.
Yeah.
One of the most revealing things is when you hear that you had 3 to 4 feet of water in a house, you have an image of what that could be, but when you actually see it, like we just got to see it, it changes your perspective a little bit on it, because you can, when you're standing in the wall and it's coming up to your waist, and you realize that was all underwater, and you see the mold everywhere, and even down to all the outlets were just completely rusted out. I think the impact is just it's real. It's sometimes maybe it's easier to provide assistance from a 3-hour flight away, but when you actually hear on the ground, you get to see. It's not that the devastation around us is really that bad. I think it might have been months ago, but when you walk into that house and you see how it devastated that house, and then it did that to every house next to it too. I think it just makes it more real. I think he was telling the story of the one couple who stayed, and they were sitting on storage containers on top of their kitchen countertops, and I just know, as a husband with children, you put so many memories into your house, and to see it all get destroyed, and I don't know, it's a surreal experience, and it's neat that we can partner, and it almost makes me want to grab a hammer and help.